The title of this lecture is Inclusive Leadership. Inclusive leadership is a type of leadership which focuses on the quality of the connection or relationship between the leader and the subordinates. The aim of inclusive leadership is to promote and enhance this connection. Techniques which are part of this idea include making followers a part of the decision-making process, thinking of and treating the followers positively, taking into consideration the needs of the followers, and rewarding those that do good work. At first, it may seem that inclusive leadership benefits the followers more than the leadership. However, this is not the case. By benefiting the relationship between those that lead and those that follow, the benefits achieved are reciprocal. For example, when it comes to including followers in the decision-making process, the specialized knowledge of the followers, which the leadership most likely does not possess, is enough to ensure that more informed decisions are made. In the end, a better decision will be made.